So you can see in front of me, I have a bolt cutter. Brand sent me this to make a video over. Obviously, not too much going on with the bolt cutter itself. Open it, close it, that's how it works, right? So we're going to just test on a couple things that I don't care about anymore. Kind of like this screwdriver. I'm going to put a couple things out here. We're going to test them out and see if it cuts it. I'm going to go progressively bigger. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in like this order here. So let's start with the screwdriver. I'm sure to get through this no problem. There we go. As you can see, cut the screwdriver right in half. Let's try this next bolt, and I'm going to try to do it like this. And it cut through that thing. Like, no, actually this one was a little bit easier than the screwdriver was. Here with it. There we go. Both of those are super easy. A little bit softer metal. This one right here, actually I think this one's a little bit thicker. Let's go with this one first. There you go, cut through that one. Alright, big mama now. So there you go. Cut through all of these nuts and bolts, or just bolts and screwdriver. Actually, that one was the screwdriver and this big bolt were pretty equal as far as how hard they were to cut through. Because I think this is a little bit more treated metal, a bit harder. Let's check the bolt cutter. There's the results. Open it up. Let you guys look at it. So there you go. That's his bolt cutter. It does its job. It cuts through bolts, cuts through screwdrivers. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.